Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the our daily stock report. It is May 2nd, 2018. What do you got going on today? Oh, sorry, May 3rd. Check that. What do we got going on today? Well, market was down quite a bit, recovered, and Dow Jones was only down a little bit. We're still in that triangle pattern I have indicated over here. Still below the 10 and 50-day moving average. I was pretty impressed by the recovery we had today. I thought for sure it's going to be a down day. And we're only down just by a little bit. Excellent. So, let's see what the volume was here. Just cruise over here. Volume was up by a little bit, not too much. Maybe this is a good sign. Maybe we're going to eventually get some decision around here. Still in a holding pattern as far as I can see. The kind of thing we're getting to the bottom of this, so maybe we'll have a turnaround. You never know. It's just really awesome. It just depends. You really got to take this one day at a time, especially when this type of thing. Same type of deal. Volume is only down a little bit. Very small amount, but volume picked up a bit. Matter of fact, it decided to do a little tank today, which is fine by me. They had lousy earnings, but that doesn't surprise me. The company's not run very well. Again, I do have some put options on this, but the options don't trade in big volumes, right? So I don't expect to make a whole lot of money off of this, but making some money is better than none, especially because we can't shorten our RSPs and our IRAs and Roths. So I'm quite pleased with the action on here. I'd expect the next stop would be around 725. We go through that down to 650 or so. And yep, so that's what I honestly expect. Let's see, a couple other stocks that we talked about. Synovus. Take a look at that action on this one. Yeah, it's kind of holding in there. I would have expected it to drop quite a bit by now, but hey, it is what it is. If it breaks out to the upside, I'll be getting out of my options. I don't have that many. I think I only have 10 put options or so. I'm not going to stress about that. Let's take a look at Denny. We talked about Denny yesterday. Looks like it had a nice little rebound, up 4%. After a big drop here. Will it still continue to recover? Don't know. The volume is pretty good. A bit above average, but that doesn't surprise me. It's a good sign, potentially. If we can get first above the 50-day, that would be a most excellent. If we can close above the 50-day tomorrow, that would be a really good sign. I think our uptrend will eventually continue. But I'd wait for that before jumping in. Let's see here. Baytex Energy. Let's see, did we look at that one yet? Yeah, I mentioned that. Down just a little bit. I was down a bit more in the morning. Will it continue to go? Good question. Depends on price of oil. It's been kind of in the neutral zone lately. As we can see, the stock was a high flyer at one time, around 40 bucks. Will it continue? Not sure. Profire. So it's a little bit below. Looks like it's a little below the 10-day moving average. Down just 3 3/4% tonight. Not the best today. I would say I see a little trend line here we can actually draw. So maybe I'll do that. If there's any significant breakdowns to the downside, I would sell this to this level here and basically stay. This line here has been pretty steady. it's considering slow uptrend, but it's getting some support, I'd say. So as long as we can continue in this area or trending up slowly, I wouldn't mind jumping down. But it's on my radar to get rid of in case it doesn't act right. And you know what? A lot of people I think got stopped out today because I did on actually on Etsy. But take a look at that. I'll start to buy the investors business. I bought it in the $25 area and I sold it today when I put a trailing stop on it, a tight one. I got out and I made a decent little profit here. I'm not going to complain. Will it continue to rise? Maybe long term, probably, but I want to see some more action here. I want to see a breakout. I want to see another breakout to the $32 range before I jump back in. But it's a good stock. I would definitely buy this again, but I know it just was like, I had got my money. Probably like 20%, 20% profit or so, and that's not bad for holding it for about 2 months. Again, I found this through investors business sales and some other. And let's just take a look at days ago. Breaking up to the downside. Yeah, this is looking pretty poor right here. Next stop probably. Well, this could be an area where it might get some resistance, but go beyond that, $100 or so. Next stopping point might be a buy, but not now, that's for sure. Not on a downtrend like we're going through. If you did buy in, remember 7 or 8% max loss. There's some other strategies beyond that. Some people go for 10. I think that's a bit aggressive. Too aggressive of a stop loss. Or not aggressive enough, I should say. Another idea is folks will set up their stop loss at 5% and compress the stock at 10%. But I go for 7 or 8%. I like that. Those are things not much action here. Still kind of basing out. Could it pop up? Sure. I don't know if they reported earnings lately, or they will. But just one to keep an eye on. Let's see. Oh, beginning of this week, I mentioned ZUMZ. Holding right above the 50-day moving average. So I'll see if I hold it above there. I don't know if I quite buy it. It's actually connected. Well, we'll see. I'm just kind of keeping an eye on that. Oh, let's check that out. Actually, I got this yesterday. Around, let's see, I think it was around the, let me see, 29.50 or 29.60. And, yeah, actually it was 29.60. And we had a little bit of pullback, but it's closed. Pretty consistent around 29. I think that we can definitely bounce up from here without any problem. Volume has been pretty flat. I'd say normal. Nothing spectacular, but something that you can definitely keep an eye on. Definitely make some money off of. As we can see, the stock bounces around a lot, so we can definitely catch it on the upside and make some money. Let's see, anything else that came across as interesting today? Let me see here. I'm looking around here, folks. NSP. Okay, this is one that reminds me. NSP. I bought this one today. About 83 bucks. So, yeah, it just came up on my scanner. That's something that's been trending upwards. It's got increasing volume to the upside. The share is kind of quiet though. So I think this one is definitely a keeper for now until it gives me a sign where I should get rid of it. But this is something I did buy into today. I don't think I mentioned it yesterday. I'm not sure. Let's see here. We mentioned a couple of these other ones. Tandem diabetes. Yeah, let's go there for a second. Let me sort this. Interesting. Still on the upside. Oops, sorry. that's Taiwan. There we go. Sorry about that, folks. I told you this is a no frills channel. No frills. Still on an uptrend, still above the 10-day moving average. Volume, paltry. Not above average or anything, but still moving to the upside, which I like. I mean, honestly, next stop, we should have no problem at this rate getting to, the $9 level within the next couple of weeks, and maybe even higher than that over the next month or so. Seems to be a lot of interest in this stock. Volume has been above average most days. Not today, though. And that's all I have for today. So I kept it simple, kept it on the down low, only a 10-minute or so recording. You have stock you want to check out? Leave it in the comments. I'm just starting up this channel, so be sure to share with your friends. Like, share. Yeah, and that's all I have for tonight. I'll do the market wrap either tomorrow night or on Saturday. It just depends on how much action we have. It's been a pretty boring day. Then I can wait a day. You guys know what's up. If something exciting happens, get a breakout any of these stocks, I'll definitely put it on there tomorrow night for you. Everyone have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow or on Saturday.